Let us explore colors today.
What color is the balloon? Red.
What color is this flower?
Yellow.
Color is the ocean. Blue.
What color is the grass? Green.
What color is the pumpkin? Orange. What color is the balloon dog? Pink. What color is the frosting? Purple.
What color is the bear? Brown. Brown. What color are the shoes? Black.
What color are the clouds? White. What color is the rock? Gray.
What color is the crown? Gold.
What color is the spoon? Silver.
Look at all the colors!
What color is the ladybug?
Red.
What color is the bird? Blue. What color is the turtle? Green. What color is the lemon? Yellow. What color is the fox? Orange. What color are the grapes? Purple. What color is the heart? Pink. What color is the dog? Brown. What is the cat? Black. Amazing! You learned so many colors! Hooray!